Hello everybody. This video is about this dishwasher. This dishwasher was given to us by our niece. They remodeled their kitchen, and since we didn't have a dishwasher and no room to put a built-in dishwasher, I decided to take this built-in dishwasher and make it a portable. As you can see, I bought one sheet of plyboard. It was a 1/2-inch hardwood plyboard. I believe it's called Simoleon. It's made in Brazil. And the home store, one of our local home stores, can't keep this plyboard in stock. And I think I know the reason why, being one, it's not expensive as regular 1/2-inch pine sanded plyboard. And it doesn't have any knots. And like I said, it's all hardwood. And I think it does a beautiful job of whatever you wanted to do with this plyboard, of making furniture or cabinets or whatever. But this video is not about the plyboard. The video is about this dishwasher. And this dishwasher is running Can you hear it? I mean, I'm right at it, and it's very quiet. I didn't put any more insulation in it than it was already had that, that little blanket they put over it. But I did not add any more insulation to this. And I made a kind of a dolly on the bottom of it, where I reused the bolts that was at the bottom, that when you put a built-in dishwasher, that you adjust these bolts to level it or whatever when you install it. I reused them bolts to fasten, I believe it was 1x2s I believe I used, and some little small swivel wheels, all bought from the home store. And it's mostly held together by glue and finishing nails. The plyboard is kind of glued and held together by itself, which it turned out to be pretty sturdy. And I stained it in a antique walnut. And I hate to knock down this one-step poly stain, but I don't think I'll use that anymore. I think I'll just stick with the regular stain and go back over it with a clear poly. Well, this is my problem with it. When you brush it on, you'll have places in it. I don't know if you can see it. It's more on the sides than on the top. Well, this right here. When it gets you overlap, right here is nice. I mean, that's nice, but on the edges where your brush goes, and then it just, I had to sand it. I had to sand it down. Like here's some back here. That kind of looks like the wood grain, but it's not. But if I didn't say anything, you would have thought it's the wood grain. So, anyway, I'm very pleased how this turned out. It's real quiet. You can't hardly, when the air conditioner's running and the TV's on, you can't hardly hear it anyway. But you can't hear it at all. Because our living room is right here at the kitchen. And so this is how I took a built-in dishwasher and made it a portable. I used the same drain hose that it had, and I've got that tied up with a one of them pipe cleaner. Well, it's a craft pipe cleaner. Right now, I got that tied up to the supply line, and that fitting right there, the fitting that goes up in there on this type of faucet. Oh man, I had a hard time finding that. Actually, that's two pieces to make this thing up, so I could screw this. This is the only thing that I add on to was this wash machine hose. But the drain I reused. It's running right now. I don't know. Can you hear it? It's really hard to hear. Quiet. Anyway, I wanted to share this video because things that I do that I'm proud of, I like for people to see. To be honest with you, on YouTube, there's not a whole lot of videos on people making portable dishwashers out of built-in dishwashers. I mean, they do, but they don't really show the cabinet on them. And I didn't know how hard it was going to be. But it turned out easier than I thought. And I think it looks nice. Okay. Well, that's it, folks. Y'all have a good one. Until the next time.